Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding the reference error, text encoder is not defined. The error reference error, text encoder is not defined typically occurs in JavaScript when you're trying to use the text encoder class in an environment that does not support it. The text encoder is part of the encoding API, which is built into modern web browsers and node.js, from version 1.0.0 onwards. What is text encoder? Text encoder is a built-in JavaScript class that allows you to convert strings into uint8 array objects, a typed array representing an array of 8-bit unsigned integers. This is useful for encoding text into various formats, especially when working with binary data and APIs. Common scenarios for the error. 1. Running in an older node.js version. If you're using an older version of node.js, before version 1.0.0, you might encounter this error, as the text encoder class was introduced in newer versions. 2. Running in a non-browser environment. If you are executing JavaScript in a non-browser environment, like some older JavaScript engines, it might not support text encoder. 3. Typo or scope issues. You might have a typo or scope issue in your code that prevents text encoder from being recognized. How to fix the error? 1. Update node.js. If you are using node.js, ensure that you are running a version that supports text encoder. You can check your node.js version with. To update node.js, visit the node.js website, https://nodejs.org, and download the latest version or use a package manager. 2. Using a polyfill. If you cannot update your environment, you can use a polyfill to add text encoder support. You can install the util module, which contains a polyfill for text encoder. Then you can use it in your code. 3. Check for typos. Ensure that you are correctly using the text encoder without any typos in its name. Example usage of text encoder. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to use text encoder to encode a string. Conclusion. The reference error, text encoder is not defined error is usually related to the environment in which your code is running. By ensuring you are using a supported version of node.js, using a polyfill, or checking for typos, you can effectively resolve this issue. The text encoder class is a powerful tool for encoding strings in JavaScript, and understanding how to use it can greatly enhance your ability to work with binary data.